guys, right, I'm really excited today. I'm going to take you along. We're going to go and pick up some keys. So this is it, guys. Let's get inside. Like, oh no, this is the one where you can never get inside. It's like dead difficult. Struggling. Really are. Really are struggling. Really are. Right. Right then, guys. Couldn't get in today. Take two. We're going home to regroup. Bring the big guns that can actually open the lock. Let's go.
The next day.
Right then, guys. So we are in, and currently I am standing right in front of these doors. These are the entrance doors. Obviously the locksmith has come and secured that, so that is going to stay fixed closed. So what I am standing in at the minute, I'm hoping this is going to be the bedroom. So this window and door set we're gonna remove and just put a window set in here, and then probably brick this part up. So yeah, this is the bedroom. We'll be removing this suspended grid ceiling. So that'll be going with these horrible lights. And put in a fixed ceiling. So through here, I'm gonna add in a door here to the bedroom. And this will be the lounge area. This used to be one of the hairdressing sort of salon base here. We already have a fixed ceiling in here, so that will be fine. And literally the centre is literally just out the window. It's a small town, so you just come out and then there's some links and stuff like that. So yeah, and it's literally just off the main road in and out, so perfect location. So what I'm hoping to do, knock through here to go down and create a bathroom on the other side. This is where the chimney breast runs, but I think it's quite solid and blocked up. So here we go. These old heaters, getting rid of those. This archway and you're into sort of the kitchenette area, so the back area for the hairdressers. So the plan is to turn this into a kitchen. It's going to be compact. I'm going to keep this as the sink area, bit of storage on that side, and here what I'm thinking to do is have a cooker hob on here and maybe knock through this part and have that as almost like a breakfast bar, but we will see. There's not going to be much storage, it will be very compact in here. So here, this is the toilet. So I'm planning on leaving the toilet outlet, solid vent pipe here because it's on the other side and goes all the way up, straight up. So what we want to do is bring this wall over to here, and what I might do is just run it through, and then when it gets to about this point maybe make it go back and in, so that we can get sort of like maybe fridge area in there. This will be the main entrance, so we'll put in a new door, sort out the ceiling, obviously damp problems. Yeah, wish me luck. So then through here you've got a lovely she says. A lovely little outdoor area. Let's just fix up. So yeah, that's it then, guys. I suppose all that's left to say is roll CGI. So let's show you what the proposed is going to look like. Right then guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned so you can see the next part, and that is flat reveal for the first floor flat. And please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and also please watch this video next so you can get some productivity tips on to kickstart your property journey this year.